In this video, I want to show you how to upload a 3-minute long YouTube short on YouTube. So YouTube recently added a new ability to add 3-minute long shorts versus the original 1-minute long shorts that you were originally limited to. So what you can do to upload a 3-minute short is you can go up to the create button at the top right, go ahead and click on where it says upload video. Next, you're going to need to make sure that your YouTube short actually qualifies under these conditions in order to be counted as a YouTube short. So the video must be 3 minutes or under. It can't be longer than 3 minutes. And it also must be square or vertical. So if it's a video that has the exact same height and width, that will be counted as a square. You can upload that as a YouTube short, or you could also have the vertical tall form of the video as well. If it's the wide format, it will not upload as a YouTube short, so just keep that in mind. Got to be square or vertical. Once you make sure your video is meeting those requirements, you can go ahead and upload it like you would a normal YouTube video, and it will automatically classify it as a YouTube short. If you want to see how to do this on the mobile version, you can click the video on your screen.